एक ही चीज है जो ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करने से कम नहीं होती बल्कि बढ़ती है, दिमाग। ब्रेन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ आवर बॉडी। हमारी पूरी बॉडी का कंट्रोल यहां है। इसीलिए हमें ब्रेन स्ट्रोक के सिम्टम्स को समझ के उन पे जल्दी एक्शन लेना चाहिए। बस उसकी जानकारी एक क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट से कभी मत ले। इसीलिए आज मेरे साथ है स्पेशलिस्ट। सो डॉक्टर, प्लीज हमें बताइए ब्रेन स्ट्रोक के सिम्टम्स के बारे में।
Good morning, myself Dr. Gite, physician at Sai Mauli Hospital, Ahmednagar. Now we are going to see in detail about the stroke and stroke symptoms and stroke management. So the most important mnemonic about the diagnosis and about the symptoms of the stroke is B fast. B fast is B is for balance. And stroke patient have an imbalance in coordination because of involvement of the cerebellum, which is a small brain of the. Again, we have E for eyesight, vision issues. We have homonymous hemianopia, in which we get a visual problems in half field of the vision is disturbed due to this stroke. Then we have F for facial symptoms, in which drooling of the saliva, the salivation from the one side of the mouth and the deviation of the mouth is seen. Then we have A for arms and the legs. Usually we get left-sided or right-sided upper limb and lower limb weakness, or we can say the zero movement in some severe cases. We have S for the speech, in which the slurred speech is there. We have to go for a emergency. T for emergency time. We have to go into the hospital within 3 to 4 hours. As early as possible, we have to go into the hospital. Then in our hospital, my hospital, we have MGPGOA, and we treat stroke patient free of cost in our hospital. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.